Hello genius, are you ready to test your math skills? How fast can you solve this math quiz? Let's go! Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz Rooster channel for more exciting quizzes. First question, what's the result of 5 plus 3? Yes, 8. How much is 10 minus 4? Correct, 6. What's the result of 6 into 2? Nice, 12. Solve this equation. Three. Can you solve this? Correct, 10. Can you solve this one? Eight. What's the result of this equation? Correct, 18. Solve this equation. Yes, 2. Quick, solve this. It's 20. What's the answer? Correct, 14. Yes, 60. What's the result of this equation? $24. Solve this equation. $4. Quick, solve this equation. Correct, 55. What is the value of 36 divided 6 plus 6? Yes, 3. Solve this equation. Yes, it's 12. What's the value of 50 minus 6 into 4? Answer is 26. Find the answer. Nice, 50. Can you solve this equation? Yes, answer is 4. Nice, correct answer is 26. What's the answer is 8 into 5 divided by 4? Right answer is 10. What's the value of 72 divided by 8 plus 15? Correct, 24. How much is 10 multiplied 6 minus 3? Nice, 30. What's in your mind? Right answer is 6. Can you solve this equation? 24. Let's find the answer. Yes, 54. Find the value. Correct, 8. What's the result of this equation? Answer is 14. Can you solve this equation? Yes, it's 21. Correct answer is 4. Can you simplify this question? Answer is 15. Can you simplify this equation? Yes, it's 6. Can you solve this? $26. Quick, solve it. Nice, 30. Find the value of. Five. Simplify it. Yes, correct answer is 21. Find the value of. Answer is 15. Can you solve this equation? Nice, answer is 6. Please solve it. $36. What's the value of? Yes, 8. Find the value of this equation. Correct, 12. What's the answer? Yes, 10. Quick, solve it. Nice, correct answer is 45. What is the value of this equation? Right answer is 50. What's the answer? Nice, 36. Can you solve it? Right answer is 21. Solve this equation. Correct answer is 8. Quick, solve it this equation. $50. Can you solve this equation? Yes, answer is 14. Can you solve this equation? Yes, right answer is 9.